Understanding Scanner Settings, a guide for language learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential in our digital world: scanner settings. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves digitizing documents, understanding scanner settings is key. In this video, we'll unravel the mystery of these settings, ensuring you can use your scanner effectively and confidently. Scanner settings are the options and adjustments available on a scanner, allowing you to control how a physical document is transformed into a digital version. Think of it as telling your scanner exactly what you want. We'll explore the most common settings you'll encounter. Resolution. The resolution determines the clarity and detail of your scanned document. Measured in dpi, dots per inch. A higher dpi means a more detailed image but results in a larger file size. Color format. Choose between color or black and white. Color is great for photos, while black and white is ideal for text documents, saving file size. File format. Common formats include PDF, JPEG, and PNG. PDFs are perfect for documents, while JPEGs and PNGs are best for images. Size settings. Adjust the size to match your document. This ensures the digital version is a true representation of the original. 1. Clean the scanner glass to avoid specks. 2. Ensure your document is flat against the glass. 3. Preview your scan and adjust settings if needed. 4. Experiment with settings to find the best fit for your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding scanner settings. With these insights, you're well equipped to turn your physical documents into high-quality digital versions. Happy scanning, and see you in the next video.